with the counterparty credit risk. So we have initially talked about the counterparty credit risk, where one party can default, and in a bilateral transaction where each party feels that the other party can default, and the loss that is arriving from that, where generally in a OTC derivatives contracts as well as security financing kind of contracts, we observe the counterparty credit risk to be much more in case. So that is where, especially to address this OTC derivatives, to standardize them, there is an ISDA master agreement to standardize the various OTC derivative contracts. There is an ISDA master agreement talking about International Swaps and Derivatives Association, where it is talking about reducing the uncertainty because of standardization from a legal dimension, right? Doing some kind of standardization in the process. And it also talks, whatever the legal agreement between two parties, it talks about the collateralizations, how is the collateral treated as a part of this agreement, and then it talks about the netting features, overall netting, multilateral netting, and in what ways the termination of the contract can happen. So there is a kind of a standard template or a documentation where the intention is to reduce the transaction costs as well as the improving the way the OTC derivative contracts typically take between various parties. Now, on the same lines, now we